Alright, so here we go. I got the head off. That's just some schmutz I put down in there to try and soak her up. Here's the head. I have to dump her out and clean her up real good, check her for cracks. Get her over here on something clean and level. You know, oh, here we go, right here, babe. That's good enough. That's the head. I'll slide her up under there with this runaway nut. I can see me breaking something. Hold on a second. You know what? I'm going to leave it there for a minute. Let me come over here. I know there's another hose. There's a hose, coolant hose attached right there. But I don't know where it goes. Nah, it shouldn't keep me. Yeah, it's going to keep me from pulling the head off. But I'm not going to be able to move that head. But let me find a rag. Let's go find a rag. And try and sop up some of that shit that I put in that piston hole. I put that shit in that piston hole so I could try and get her, you know, free her up maybe, and hopefully just get her to move. And you know, I'd get a little feel for how bad she was. But I mean, because I don't, you know, people tell me things all the time. The guy I got her from told me it sat and she froze, got bad, but sat and froze, which I think he probably believes that. But she definitely overheated and blew the head gasket, I think, beforehand, and then from sitting froze. But yeah, it's going to take some work to get this bad boy out of here. Yeah, she's been holding water in here for a while, probably a couple seasons. Oh, let me get you where you can see when I pull this rag out of here. She's been holding liquids in there for some seasons. I mean, that's that's gonna be fun, right? Yeah, that's one solid sumbitch right there. But yeah, that's pretty sure that's because the head gasket went bad, and probably the jug probably went bad or cracked or something. You check it out on the other side, man, or it was leaking out of the jug. And people kept topping it off with water, because if you look at the top of the jug, which I can't get you to look at now because the exhaust is in the way, but you could see in some of the videos from yesterday, she's so discolored right there. You know, she was probably blowing out. She was probably steam engineing right out of there, you know. And you could see in the exhaust, if I could get you there, she's burning it. She was blowing it. She was smoking like a pig beforehand. And that shit is just nasty. So this is going to be fun. That jug ain't coming out today, that's for sure. She's fused with that piston. You need a piston. Probably, I don't know how bad that goes. Hopefully it don't look like it got down underneath the piston, I don't think. But let's see if I can't get over there and lift some up. I mean, she was holding that liquid I put in there. That was like trans fluid, some bodily fluids, because I don't have a bathroom in here. So, I mean, you gotta go, you know what I mean? So there's some trans fluids and bodily fluids, you know, some other stuff in there. But I just want to get something here that I can try and lift that without damaging the base for the jug. Look, my propane tank almost went over again. She went over yesterday. It was awesome. The whole place almost went up. And fire marshal was here. Holy shit! Fuck! Oh my God! You probably saw me. You guys probably saw me. Now you all are gonna know who I am. What kind of jerk off I? Listen, I ain't gonna be going nowhere and showing up and signing no autographs or nothing. Look at that. Look, I moved it again. That shit is disgusting. That is all in that radiator. And that piston just does not want to move. I don't want to move it. I just want to see how bad she looks below there. But she's fucking froze, dude. She is froze. She's froze. Yeah, she's froze because she's been frozen a couple times. A couple seasons in a row, I'm assuming. So how many of yous out there, like if I fix this bad boy, might want to buy one? Because, you know, I'm going to have to do something with her once I fix her. And I mean, I'd like to fix her, but we're talking, definitely talking about a bit of work here. We're definitely talking about a bit of work. And that, she's totally frozen. But anyway, that's it. There you go. That's where she's at. That's awesome. That's gonna be in everything. That's not like a little bit. That's a built up. That's some, like, you know, I don't know. We had to go by gauges. I don't know, man. What gauge you think that would be? The thickness of that rust patch in there. Off the top of my head, I couldn't tell you. I mean, I might be able to tell you. I look at one of my handy dandy Bojangles, but I don't know. It's probably about 18, say 16, yeah, 14 gauge. Oh, 14, 16 gauge is solid shit. Holding that piston to the wall of that cylinder, so I just hope none of it got down inside of there. I don't know. Now I got a mess I got to clean up and figure out. But you know, thanks for stopping by. Ha! That's it. Now I need to clean up, smoke some crack, think about what I'm gonna do here, because this bad boy is hurting. You know, I got the timing chain didn't look bad. You know, hopefully it was all just on the other side of the motor. You know what I mean? Like all the nonsense. It looks like it was. Because this side's not, if you look, I mean, but then again, down inside there, even inside of where the timing chain's at, it doesn't look like she got as high as she did on the other side, but she was getting lube, but you could see she was leaking. You see that blow by? You couldn't see it. She had some blow by. I used to know a girl, I think that was her nickname, blow by. I don't know. Alright, I think I'm going to quit for today before I hurt myself. Because I like hurting myself. Right now, I'm just trying to get her up a little to like the top of the stroke, I'm hoping. Oh, holy shit! Oh, my eye! Oh, oh, oh.